patient that I have today. Oh man, this is really tough time today. It's a lot of busy schedules today. Oh man. So we have Mr. Mahmood. We have Mr. Jama.
Yes, sir.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, sir. How about you?
Good. I'm Dr. Harmander. How can I assist you today?
Yes, my name is Mohammed Aden. I am one of the Somali interpreters, so
Alright,
good
good to meet you. You're a little bit early. So we were waiting for Mr. Warsama today.
No problem.
Is that right? I have his file right here. Mr. Warsama has been having abdominal pain, and also he's been having a headache, and also he's been having some major problem in his. So we are expecting him to come right now. I think he's a little bit late or something.
No problem. He will be here in shortly. I just called him on the phone, but he say he's on his way. No problem. He will be there.
All right.
No problem.
Good. So
So far, how was your day?
Oh, it's been a busy day today. We have a lot of patients. A lot of people are sick today, and it's been really. It's, I think. How are you, sir? Good to meet you, Mr. Usman.
Fuck you, man.
Every day. What did he say? Mr. Usman Samatar?
He say every day his belly is hurting. Abasas mahan.
Excuse me, what did he say? What seems the problem today? What seems the problem,
He
sir?
say you're very good. Good guy, good actor.
إيه كنيني ما رك تروح كلها فاجرة وكوفي حتى هذه حاس كذا إسلام تيجي كارتين سكن ولي أنا دعوة صح أنت الرواية هنا يساعدته ويصيروا شيء دكتور bad.
Why do you call me bad?
He says, sir, yesterday you give him a wrong medicine that you're supposed to give another patient.
Alright.
So when he take the medicine and he's supposed to take the medicine so he can feel better.
So what the medication? Does he take the blood pressure medication and abdominal pain and also so also have you been taking that lately?
He say yes. I mean, all the medicine that you give him.
Yeah, I took my Dikar Kanini, I took my Harun Kanini.
Alright.
My Harun is like Nagbalay, so
what do you mean?
He say the pain that I feel like it seems like I'm having a baby.
Yes,
like pregnancy.
No. I think this is totally confusing, my friend. This is what there's no cure for that. But I can cure for him. Explain to him that he can't visit me, so I will cure him about his problem. Does he has a problem today? Can I check him today?
Don't check me, don't touch me.
Babu
Tell
him I want to touch his dick.
He said,
my dick, no. Move off, Nick.
I'm gonna just try to touch you. I'm gonna try to touch your belly.
No, belly.
No, sir.
Tell him I need me.
No,
he's not gay.
No, it's part of that. I'm gonna touch his titty right now.
No, don't do it.
So he said, don't touch my titty. I'm not gay.
No, it's part of the health question because if you're not, explain him.
I'm not
Tell him to open his mouth. I want to open your mouth, sir. Explain to him, please.
He said, don't touch me.
Yeah.
Tell him how can I introduce you.
He's saying, don't touch me.
أختار ولي معك. وذلك أبغى من تكون لي عايز تكو.